before we use this param, we need to have few materials already loaded into our Rhino model. So I'm going to materials, import, and really quickly, let us get wood. How about if we get a plastic, maybe this green, and finally one metal polish, this blue. So we have these three materials, right? Now I want to apply using Grasshopper these materials to this sub-D object. So first of all, let me open my Grasshopper, and under params, under primitive, the last one, shader. Let me put it over here. Let me come back and notice that if I right click, set one material, I can pick any one of those three that we already uploaded. So African, let me copy. The second one is going to be the plastic. And the last one is going to be the metal, the polish, the blue one. So now we have one material in each one of these shaders. In the next tutorial, we are going to see how to apply these materials in Grasshopper to our beautiful 3D model.